What's up? I'm David from ChefsTemp. Today, I'm going to show you how to install your new ChefsTemp ProTemp S1 wireless thermometer hub on different types of grills. Let's get started. The ProTemp S1 comes with several attachments, making it compatible with nearly all types of grills and offset smokers on the market. You'll want to install the base unit first, then attach the main unit later. Let's start with a ceramic style grill. First, you'll want to remove the built-in analog thermometer by unscrewing it from the back. Once that's done, insert the S1 base unit and secure it tightly with the provided washer and wing nut. Make sure the S1 main unit is fully charged, then rotate it onto the base until it's tight. There's a marker on the main unit, so use this as your starting point to align and rotate it into place. And that's it, you're ready to start cooking. For a Weber kettle, the process is nearly the same. Unscrew the old thermometer and replace it with the ProTemp S1. Simple, right? You can easily replace your current analog gauge with the ProTemp S1. Or if you prefer, drill a hole in your grill or smoker and install it in your ideal temperature monitoring spot. For ceramic grills, we don't recommend drilling. Just swap out the existing analog gauge with the ProTemp S1. For more about ChefsTemp products or the ProTemp S1, check out our website or subscribe to our channel. Remember, the ProTemp S1 helps you smarten your grill in a snap.